Afternoon, everybody. Respected chairpersons, dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, and all the delegates coming from all over the globe. My topic of presentation is rheumatological disorders in Ayurveda. Introduction. We all know Ayurveda is the science of life and one of the oldest system of the medicine in the world, which deals with the promotion and maintenance of the positive health of masses. Now my topic is rheumatology. Rheuma, it means that which flows as a river. It is a Greek word, and logic to study up. It is the branch of medicine which mainly deals with the joint disorders, including articular, periarticular structure, that is diseases of joints, muscles, bones, soft tissues, which includes bursa, tendons and their synovial sheath, entheses and fascia. Fine tuning of the body movements make a skillful human life. The degree and range of the articular movements decide the freedom of location. Now, these conditions, national scenario of these conditions, the common modes of therapy for rheumatological diseases in India, for Ayurveda, 55% patients are coming for Ayurveda and response is 19%. Homeopathy 55% and also response is also 19%. Allopathy 51%, response is 79%. Unani 13%, response 23%. Diet 25%, response 60%. And other, that is faith healers and folk healers, are 20% and 28%. But in allopathy, the patients are receiving treatment without supervision, that is the steroids, corticosteroids and disease modifying drugs. Now need of study. Most of these conditions are due to altered immune mechanism, persistent antigen avoided, rich in kapha ama property, and food recommended. Food properly cooked, non-greasy, light, easily digestible and taken at the time of real hunger. It is very important. Arthritis. Food promoting vata and in recommended food promoting kapha to joint should be of low calorie value in obese people. Ankylosing spondylitis promoting recommended and food which may reduce recommended. Now pharmacological treatment generally used Gugul preparations, Amritadi Gugul, Agul, Kishora Gugul, Punarnavadi Gugul, Pancha Amrit, Rasa preparations, Amara Ras, Khanjanikari Ras, Trimurti Ras, Vata Gajankush Ras, Vata Kantak Ras, Vat Vidonsan Ras, Vatari Ras, Rasraj Ras, Rasamanikya, Naradiya Lakshmi Vilas Ras. Some factors influencing the selection of therapy. It is depends upon the chronicity of the illness, old age, multi-system involvement, coexisting illness, concomitant and concealed use of other drugs and medicines, high cost of treatment, unpredictability of response and unstable nature of disease and seasonal flare-ups. Now some are statistical examples are here. Diagnosis by incidence of rheumatological cases in 632 patients. RF cases are 130 for osteoarthritis, 201 vertebral disc lesion, that is cervical and lumbar lesion, 202 ankylosing spondylitis 5 patients, frozen shoulders 25 patients and gout 11 patients. Incidence of chronicity wise, chronicity in years 1 is to 5 years are found 210 patients, 6 to 10 years 28 patients, 11 to 15 years 205 patients and 16 to 20 years 32 patients. Sex distribution, male are found 319 and female are 313. And treatment wise, for Panchakarma or Shodhana treatment 421 and palliation or Shamana treatment 22. Now coming to the conclusion. For the rheumatological conditions, since past 13 years, I am all cases. I am conclusion with this. Each and every case should be identified. Determination of treatment objective of the particular case. Patient communication strategy should be formation of self-help groups, promotion of group activities among the arthritis, counseling regarding the matters apart from arthritis, but causing concern to patient, personal, social, or professional life. Economical feasibility of support services, education and counseling of a spouse or immediate caregiver or keen of the patient. Personalized care should be taken. Education to employees employing people with arthritis or our paramedic staff, and appreciation of acts and skills shown by the arthritic people. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Somebody would like to ask some questions.
Hi. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Allopathy and Ayurveda. What was the source of that data?
Sir, there are some books, sir. Internet and books. This one is from Dr. Malviya and et al. Reference is from Basic Principles and Treatment of Rheumatology book. Dr. Sanjeev Rastogi. Writer is Sanjeev Rastogi. I think Lucknow. I think Lucknow. Yes.
Dr. Jadhav, you mentioned for the osteoarthritis we have to do kapha promoting and low calorie diet. Can you give two examples which are kapha promoting and low calorie diet for the osteoarthritis? You mentioned in the slide.
Yes.
Should be of low calorie.
Diet. Yes, sir.
Promoting kapha.
Yes, yes,
At the
yes.
same time, it should be of a low calorie diet. So I would like to have two examples from you.
No, sir. I am not in a. Ho. Ha. Hmm.
Because he is well versed Marathi language, so I will speak in Marathi and then later on we will communicate. कफ वाढवणारा आणि कमी कॅलरी असणाऱ्या असे दोन आहार पदार्थ सांगा तुम्ही.
कफ वाढवणार.
हाँ, आपने लिखा है ना कफ बढ़ाना चाहिए और कैलोरी कम होना चाहिए, ऐसे दो आहार द्रव्य बताइए, आप बताओ मैं.
सर ये आहार द्रव्य पे मैंने स्टडी नहीं किया है, ये रिकमेंड करने के लिए बताया है.
हाँ, वो रेकमेंड
और
कैसे करेंगे?
मेरे जो एग्जाम्पल्स अभी जो है 632 पेशेंट्स आई हैव प्रैक्टिस इन 13 ईयर्स. हाँ. डाइट लेते हैं सर, हमारे पास डाइट ऐसा स्पेसिफिक डाइट हम या
Or you have taken this data from the net or from any recommendations otherwise.
या हाँ. Yes, sir. Yes. We are not any actually following. We are giving routine diet है sir. चपाती रोटी सब्जी है वो routine. Yes. Yeah.
Simultaneously they are less in calorie. So what diet you are giving? Add a cup and
In our patients are using,
Practitioner,
yes sir,
what you have prescribed?
जवार रोटी प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं सर. जवार रोटी रहता है हमारे पास था.
Sir, sir, I'm sorry
हाँ.
for interrupting. I'm really sorry for interrupting, but for the smooth running of the event, begin with the program and I can understand. Sir, please coordinate with us and for the smooth running of the event,
Okay.
please coordinate with us. Thank you so much. Please collect a certificate from the co-chair. Thank you very much, Dr. Narayan. We really appreciate your talk.